Hi everyone, and welcome to part 2 of Fotopia Viewer over SharePoint tutorial, where I'll be explaining to you how to import and web scan on Fotopia Viewer. So here we are on SharePoint. If you will simply import a document from SharePoint, then all you need to do is just select it, and then click on this icon, and then select Fotopia. However, if you will scan a paper document, then in this case you will not select any document, and then click on this same icon, and then click on Fotopia, which is what I'll do right now to show you the web scanning option. So here we are on the scan interface for Fotopia Viewer. If you click on this arrow, you will find the viewing options which I have already explained in part 3, General Options. Before you scan, just make sure that your scanner is connected to your computer and that you have installed the appropriate Twain driver and scan client. Now let's start scanning by clicking on this icon. Go to the taskbar and click on this icon and the scan wizard appears. After you adjust all your settings, now you're ready to scan. So now the 2 scanned pages of the document are displayed. If you'd like to save this document on SharePoint, click on this icon and give your document a name, and then click on Save. If you'd like to export any particular page from the document, then click on the page, and then click on this icon, and you can choose to export your page in one of 3 formats, either PDF or PNG or Base64, which is an encrypted format. I'll go ahead and select PDF, and your page will be exported and saved in your Downloads folder. And it will appear right here, and you can click on it and view it. So here's the exported page in PDF format, and the same applies to the other formats. Thanks for watching this tutorial.